Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the third reading of Senate Bill number 2797. This is the bill declaring Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. The printed copies of the bill were electronically distributed to the members of this chamber on November 28, 2024 in compliance with the 3-day rule of the Constitution. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of Senate Bill number 2797 on third reading is now in order. Senate Secretary is directed to read the title of the bill and to proceed with roll call vote.
An act declaring the province of Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 21 affirmative votes, 0 negative, 0 abstention, Senate Bill number 2797 is approved on third and final reading.
Mr. President, the gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized, our Kabalen.
Senator Lapid is recognized and you may proceed, sir.
Okay. Mahal na Pangulo at sa aking mga kagalang-galang na samahan mga senador, ating mga kababayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po sa lahat ay nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Suporta ipagpasa sa Senate Bill number 2797. Nagdideklara sa Pampanga bilang culinary capital of the Philippines. Isang malaking karangalan po ito, hindi lamang sa aming mga Kapampangan, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Kilalanin ang yaman at kasaysayan ng ating lutuing Pilipino. Nais ko rin pong magpasalamat at ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating Senate President Francis G. Escudero at sa ating Senate President Pro Tem, sa ito, Jinggoy Estrada, at si Senator Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, at sa Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, at si Senadora Risa Ontiveros. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa ating mga kasamaan, mga senador, lalong-lalo na kasamaan nating Senador Mark Villar na buong pusong sumuporta bilang sponsor ng panukalang ito. Maraming salamat, pare. Bilang panukalang ito, lubos na nagpapasalamat ako sa kapwa senador na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa tiwala at suporta upang maayos sa katuparan ang panukalang hakbang na ito. At hindi ko rin po makakalimutan ang pasasalamat na tumulong sa mababang kapuluan ang dating Pangulo, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, at ngayon ay Congresswoman ng 2nd District ng Pampanga, na tumulong din po paano may pasa ang aking Republic Act 9999, ang Lapid Law kung tawagin. At pasasalamatan ko rin po si Congressman Janjan Lasatin ng 1st District ng Pampanga, Congresswoman Ana York ng Bondok ng 4th District ng Pampanga, at si Congressman Aurelio Gonzales ng 3rd District. At nais ko rin po pasalamatan ang ating Speaker, Martin Romualdez. Kaya po, ang kasabihan po ng mga Kapampangan, lutong Kapampangan, manyaman, pagmaragul ko, kening mabilog, ayato. Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Ibig po sabihin nun, ang lutong Kapampangan, masarap at pinagmamalaki sa buong mundo. At Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Thank you,
Maraming
Senator
salamat.
Lapid. Kanina pa bilasa at maingay ang plenaryo at gallery. Ikaw lang pala makakapagpatahimik sa kanilang lahat, Senator Lapid. Maraming salamat. Majority Floor Leader. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, The chairman of the committee, Senator Mark Villar, is seeking the floor likewise for a manifestation.
Senator Mark Villar is recognized for his manifestation in connection with the third reading of the bill that he sponsored. You may proceed, sir.
Mr. President and dear colleagues, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made possible the approval on third reading Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333, or the Act declaring Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines, of course under the leadership of our beloved Senate President Chis Escudero, and all the senators, especially our Kapampangan Senator, si Supremo Senator Lito Lapid. Congratulations. And to everyone, because everyone helped to make this bill possible. Throughout the well-decorated history of our country, at any point, our culinary tapestry did not disappoint as an identifier of the rich cultural heritage of being a Filipino. It remains a vital component of our identity as a country of impressive gastronomy at par with the global culinary landscape. By declaring Pampanga as a culinary capital, we do not dismiss the similar hearty dishes hailing from other places in the Philippines, as every delectable Filipino dish boasts of their own distinct culinary edge. This recognition of Pampanga is a way of celebrating its extraordinary influence on Filipino food while still honoring the cultural diversity that makes our nation's cuisine so rich and vibrant. Mula sa Pampanga, baybayin po natin ang iba't ibang culinary destination sa buong Pilipinas. We will continue to boost our nation's culinary pride by recognizing Filipino destinations that are significantly contributing to the continuous enrichment and development of Filipino cuisine. Sisiguraduhin po natin na patuloy ang ating suporta sa pagkilala sa ibang pang lugar sa Pilipinas na mayroon ipinagmamalaking culinary treasures. Today, we start with Pampanga as the culinary capital. Tomorrow, we explore our cherished national treasure, our cuisine, that lies in the unique story of every city and province that has long been boasting of their exceptional history and cultural importance. In closing, I thank my colleagues for supporting Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333, as it stands to benefit not only the people of Pampanga but the entire country. By officially recognizing Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines, we are celebrating our culinary heritage, investing in the development of our tourism, and securing a legacy that those who will come after us will continuously to be proud of. Mr. President, dear colleagues, our friends from Pampanga who are here with us today, thank you very much for your continuous support in ensuring that this August Chamber remains dedicated to the holistic and sustainable development of our country. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Senator Mark.